GM brings 4 completely different engines for the 2026 GMC Sierra 1500, and as each one targets a specific type of truck buyer with surgical precision, let's start the countdown at once. Number 4. 3-liter inline-6 turbo diesel. Picture this. You're towing your 12,000-pound travel trailer through the Rocky Mountains, watching other trucks struggle and constantly downshift while you cruise effortlessly past them. That's the reality the Duramax diesel is designed to deliver. This turbocharged inline-6 pumps out 305 horsepower and a massive 495 pound-feet of torque, but those numbers only matter because they solve the most frustrating problem serious haulers face: running out of power when you need it most. The worst feeling for any truck owner is being that guy holding up traffic on a steep grade because your engine can't handle the load. That's why GMC engineered this diesel with sophisticated aluminum construction paired with advanced emissions technology that actually works. Unlike older diesel systems that felt like afterthoughts, the Duramax integrates seamlessly with the Sierra's 10-speed automatic transmission. Therefore, you're getting diesel torque without the traditional diesel penalties of rough operation and excessive noise. But here's where this engine changes your entire ownership experience. Nothing hurts more than watching your fuel gauge drop while towing, knowing every mile is costing you serious money. The Duramax delivers up to 29 miles per gallon on the highway, which translates to over 600 miles of range on a single tank. For someone driving 20,000 miles per year, this diesel could save you more than $2,000 annually in fuel costs compared to a comparable gasoline V8. Therefore, that higher purchase price actually becomes an investment that pays you back. When you need to haul equipment for work, the payload capacity of 1,890 pounds handles most scenarios without breaking a sweat. The 0 to 60 acceleration time goes around 7 seconds, proving that choosing efficiency doesn't mean sacrificing the confidence you need for highway merging or passing slower traffic. But diesel power isn't for everyone, and if you prefer gasoline performance without compromise, wait until you see what GMC's most powerful V8 brings to the table. Number 3. 6.2-liter V8. Every truck enthusiast knows the disappointment of running out of steam when you're trying to pass a slow-moving RV while towing your boat. That's the exact scenario the 6.2-liter V8 was built to dominate. This aluminum block powerhouse generates 420 horsepower at 5,600 revolutions per minute and 460 pound-feet of torque at 4,100 revolutions per minute. But what makes it special is how that power gets delivered when you're already doing 70 miles per hour and need more. Unlike smaller turbocharged engines that feel aggressive at low speeds but run out of breath up top, this V8 maintains strong pull all the way to redline. When you're towing a heavy trailer and approaching a long uphill grade, you want the confidence that comes from having power in reserve. The 6.2-liter delivers exactly that feeling, with towing capacity reaching 13,100 pounds when properly equipped. But here's where this engine separates itself from the diesel option. While the diesel excels at low-speed pulling in stop-and-go traffic, the 6.2-liter V8 dominates when you need to maintain highway speeds while towing heavy loads. Therefore, if your typical towing involves long interstate stretches rather than city driving, this gasoline V8 might actually be more suitable than the diesel option. The most satisfying part of owning a performance truck is that rush of acceleration when the light turns green. 0 to 60 miles per hour happens in just 5.5 seconds, making this one of the quickest pickup trucks you can buy. But GMC engineers understood that nobody wants to choose between performance and reasonable fuel costs. The advanced cylinder deactivation system helps achieve 14 to 15 miles per gallon city and 17 to 20 miles per gallon highway, which means you're not constantly calculating fuel costs every time you want to enjoy the truck's capabilities. For 2026, GMC is offering an optional sport exhaust calibration that enhances the engine's acoustic character. Therefore, you're getting both the performance and the soundtrack that makes driving enjoyable rather than just functional. This V8 comes standard only on the Denali Ultimate starting at $85,000, but the good thing is that you can option it on SLT, AT4, AT4X, and standard Denali models, therefore accessing this engine at significantly lower price points. In short, this V8 is perfect for buyers who demand maximum gasoline performance and frequently tow heavy loads at highway speeds. That 6.2-liter delivers incredible performance, but if you're looking for efficiency without sacrificing truck capability, the smallest engine in the lineup might actually surprise you with what it can accomplish. Number 2. 2.7-liter Turbo 4. The biggest fear most truck buyers have about smaller engines is simple. Will it actually feel like a truck when I need it to? The TurboMax 4-cylinder was specifically engineered to eliminate that anxiety. Despite displacing just 2.7 liters, this turbocharged power plant produces 310 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque. But here's what matters. Those torque figures would have been impressive for a V8 just 10 years ago, yet this engine delivers them while saving you hundreds of dollars every year at the gas pump. Nothing ruins a workday faster than discovering your truck can't handle the load you need to haul. That's why GM built this engine with a strengthened block and crankshaft inspired by diesel design principles. Therefore, when you hook up a 9,000-pound trailer or load 2,240 pounds of payload in the bed, the TurboMax responds with confidence rather than strain. But the real game changer is what happens every time you stop for fuel. Watch other truck owners wince as they pump $100+ into their tanks while you're filling up for significantly less. The TurboMax achieves 16 to 18 miles per gallon city and 17 to 21 miles per gallon highway, which translates to real money staying in your pocket. For buyers who drive significant highway miles, this efficiency advantage adds up to hundreds of dollars in annual savings compared to larger engines. The fear of buying a weak truck disappears when you experience 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration in about 7 seconds. Therefore, you're not sacrificing the everyday drivability that makes truck ownership enjoyable. The engine's substantial torque output provides confident acceleration whether you're merging onto the highway or pulling away from a stoplight with a loaded bed. The most affordable way to access the TurboMax is through the Pro trim level at under $40,000. This means you're getting legitimate truck capability without the premium pricing that traditionally comes with advanced powertrain technology, and this engine works best for buyers who look for a perfect balance of fuel efficiency and moderate towing needs. So the Turbo 4-cylinder proves small displacement can deliver big capability, but if you want traditional V8 character without the premium price tag, there's one more engine that hits the perfect sweet spot for most truck buyers. Number 1. 5.3-liter V8. There's a reason why millions of truck buyers still prefer V8 engines. They provide the perfect balance of capability and character without forcing you to justify the purchase with extreme use cases. The 5.3-liter EcoTec3 V8 understands this perfectly, generating 355 horsepower and 383 pound-feet of torque while delivering the smooth linear power that makes daily driving genuinely enjoyable. The most frustrating part of owning a truck with a smaller engine is that moment when you're towing and realize you don't have enough power to pass safely. The 5.3-liter V8 eliminates that anxiety with towing capability up to 11,500 pounds and a broader torque band that provides confident passing power at highway speeds. But here's the key advantage. You get this capability without paying the premium pricing that comes with high-output engines. Modern truck buyers want efficiency, but they don't want to sacrifice the driving experience that makes truck ownership satisfying. The sophisticated dynamic fuel management system can deactivate any combination of cylinders to optimize fuel consumption. Therefore, you're getting 8-cylinder performance when you need it, but 4-cylinder efficiency when you're just commuting to work. Fuel economy of 15 to 16 miles per gallon city and 18 to 21 miles per gallon highway proves you don't have to choose between capability and reasonable operating costs. The satisfaction of owning a naturally aspirated V8 comes from the linear power delivery and traditional American truck sound that makes every acceleration feel smooth and predictable. Unlike turbocharged engines that can feel aggressive or artificial, the 5.3-liter provides exactly the driving character most truck buyers expect. Performance remains strong with 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration going around 6 seconds, which is noticeably quicker than the 4-cylinder option. In summary, this V8 appeals to buyers who want traditional truck character and decent towing capability without paying premium pricing for maximum performance. So, GMC has created a lineup where every engine serves a specific purpose, but there's one question that determines which powertrain makes the most financial sense for your specific situation. The Duramax diesel costs a lot up front, but saves serious haulers thousands annually in fuel costs. The 6.2-liter V8 delivers maximum performance for enthusiasts who need ultimate capability. The 5.3-liter V8 provides traditional truck character at mainstream pricing. And the TurboMax 4-cylinder offers the lowest entry cost with impressive efficiency. But here's what most buyers don't realize. Choosing the wrong engine for your actual usage patterns could cost you more money over 5 years than the price difference between any two powertrains, making this decision far more important than most people think. Clearly, GMC gives us a lot of options to choose from, but if you think that's flexibility, check out our review of the 2026 Ford F-150 and all the changes it's bringing. The F-150 traditionally offers the broadest range of engine options and trim levels in the class, and with the latest updates, there's no doubt it will solidify its leading position even more.